Hi. One of the things we tend to do is to punish ourselves. We feel angry with ourselves for something that we did, something that we did not do, that we were too fast, maybe too slow, maybe we listened and we shouldn't, maybe we didn't listen when we think we should have listened, whatever. We get really angry with ourselves and then we punish ourselves. And that's really useless because it causes a lot of pain. And it doesn't improve the situation, just make it worse and make it more difficult for us to make any amend, any changes. Yeah. So if you want to make a stop with that, stop punishing yourself and use the situation and the opportunities to learn and improve, please join as you take full responsibility for your process. Okay? So go into a situation, perhaps you have now in your life a situation where you're angry and punishing yourself. Or something that you did, something maybe you didn't do, a thought, an action, business decision, life decision, any kind, anything that you are angry and punishing yourself. Feel it, feel the emotions that are there. If you need more time, stop the video, create the feeling, create the emotion. And give a number between 0 and 10, how strong you feel. How strong are the emotions of anger and punishment toward yourself. Yeah? Leave alone, leave aside for now, whatever you feel toward other people. Just we're talking about between you, me and me. Yeah? Feel it. And have a number between 0 and 10, how intense it is. Create the feeling, feel the emotion. And tap and say out loud together with me. I release and let go. I release and let go. It's safe to release and let go. All is well. I just let go. Take a deep breath. Feel it and tap. I let go of the pain. Let go of the fear, the regret, the sadness, the anger, all these emotions. I don't need them. Not helping me. They're working against me. Just causing pain. They just cause pain. I don't need this pain. I don't want pain in my life. So I let go. It's safe. I let go of the fear. Let go of the pain. It's okay. It's okay. It's done now. It belongs to the past. It's no longer happening. And it's okay. Life goes on. My life goes on. And I let go. I know it's safe. And take a deep breath. Once again, create the situation. Feel the anger. Feel the need or tendency to punish yourself. You deserve punishment because you made a terrible mistake. Yeah, you didn't do something on time. Yeah, you did it before time. You didn't do it at all. You did it and you shouldn't have done it. Yeah, feel it. How stupid you were. How stupid you still are. Feeling it and with me. I let go. I know I'm not perfect. I know I'm not perfect. It's okay. I don't expect myself to be perfect. I don't expect myself to be perfect. I'm learning. The fear is gone. The pain is gone. It's all melting away. dissolving, simply disappear. I am here now. I'm alive. I'm healthy. I let go. It's all melting away. And a deep breath. Once again, create a feeling and give a number again between 0 and 10, how intense it is. Perhaps you feel it into your chest, perhaps in your stomach. It's melting away. It's dissolving. The things in my chest, the pain, the disappointment, the regret. Just let it all go. It happened in the past. It's no longer happening. It's only in my head. I let go. I leave it in the past. I look forward now. I'm learning. And it's okay. I'm okay as I am. No need to be perfect. It's okay. It's really okay. Just let go. The pain is gone now. It's quiet. It's quiet. There is a stillness, a sense of well-being. It feels like a new dawn. A new day is beginning. A new period in my life. No more punishing myself. I'm done with that. It's safe. I let go. All the fear is melting away, dissolving. There is nothing. Just stillness. And I know I'm okay. And take a deep breath. It's okay to do mistakes, or what may appear to be mistakes. It's part of the curve of learning. That's what it means to be a human being. And we need to be soft with ourselves. Loving, caring, having compassion toward ourselves and toward others who might also do what we consider or they consider to be mistakes, which is part of their learning. So let go, just don't do it. And if it comes again, tap with me, with yourself, with life. Take a deep breath, let it all go. And it's okay. And with me, I'm okay as I am. No longer need to be perfect. What a relief. What a relief. I love myself as I am. I'm proud to be me. It's okay. I'm okay as I am. And it just gets better as I let go. A deep breath. So be kind to yourself whenever you can. And be kind to other people. Yeah? Let's offer help, encouragement to each other, to ourselves. And together we can make it a better world for all of us. Take care. Bye-bye.